Okay, let's talk about the push-up. This is a very well-known basic exercise, but with a lot of stuff going on with the push-up. It's essentially a moving plank. So if we can get into a good plank position and just move your arms, we're in business. So everything from the shoulder or below the shoulder is stationary. You're moving at the shoulder, wrist, and elbow. So a good setup position is hands right outside the shoulders. What I'll see a lot of people do to set up, if they get too high, their elbows have to go up high and outside. They're flaring their elbows, puts your shoulders in an internally rotated position. It doesn't feel good. So bring your hands down a little bit. That way you can keep your shoulders down. Open the chest up as you bring yourself down to the floor. Now in this position, the tendency when your upper body is good, you want to arch your back. So to avoid that, tuck your hips forward, squeeze the abs tight, and then open the chest up. That's gonna keep you all lined up. So hips forward, pull those ribs in, open the chest up, and then the elbows stay pretty close to the body. So they're not way out here, but you don't have to keep them all the way to the inside like this, like a tricep push-up. So I like about 45 degrees out. Open your chest up towards the floor, and then when you're pushing all the way back up, you want to actually extend away from the ground as much as you can. So my shoulders are pushing, even after I lock my elbows out, my shoulders continue to push forward. That is good full range of motion push-up. If you can do that on the ground, awesome. If you need a little assistance, just put your hands up on a bench. All the same principles apply. You don't have to do push-ups on your knees. It's a lot better. So up on a bench, your shoulders are still gonna go back. Lower your chest down. Contact point should be right at the sternum, middle of the chest, and then push all the way through. All right?